Hi, my name's Grant. I run Inspired Financial Planners. I give Jamboard a 4 out of 5. Before I started using Jamboard, I basically just used either Paint or Microsoft Word, or more than that was probably just my Surface Pro whiteboard app. I chose Jamboard because it's really customizable and really easy. I already use the Google Suite in its entirety, so being able to just use something that's already part of that just made a whole lot of sense. Considering Jamboard is already part of the Google Suite, it's really easy to set up. It's basically just a whiteboard with all your drag and drop features. It's not complicated at all. If you're familiar with anything in Google and you're able to share things like a Google Doc or a Google Sheet, it's all basically the same kind of format. Jamboard is great if you need it to integrate with your other Google products like Google Docs, Google Sheets. If you want to take something from your whiteboard and put it in and be able to basically have it linked. Really, really good for that. If you need something that's really simple and easy to use in terms of dragging and dropping to create a visual with your whiteboard, Jamboard can be really good. The only thing is it's not overly customizable, and like your drag and drop, you really have to get it in the right spot. There's nothing kind of aligning stuff, which means it can be a little finicky to be able to use. But in terms of being able to share with other Google users or integrate with the other Google products, it's really good on that side.